community lunch is where we get to cook for the community. We make it for all of our classmates and teachers and the staff at Butler Montessori. We make a variety of different meals. Like, we make appetizers and salads and fruit and like main courses and desserts and drinks.
And it's also one of our creative expressions, so you can learn how to cook. And we also say the menu in Spanish, so you can learn how to say different foods and drinks in Spanish.
Yeah, we go shopping beforehand, and we learn, like how to shop and like the things you have to shop for, and we make our own menu and stuff, and then we cook it with a small group of people and one of the teachers, and it's really fun.
We also have parents or chaperones come over, and they cook with the kids, and we base the meals off of like the culture of their food. So if, let's say, someone's from like Japan, we would cook a traditional food they ate as a child or something like that, something special.